The fidget spinner video. I'm trying to build a fidget spinner, and he's gonna show you the tutorial of the gear fidget spinner, and I'm gonna show you the tutorial of the supreme fidget spinner. And now let's just spin on. We might get some news or like letters today that there might be some new fidget spinners waiting for us at the door. Camouflage, I think. Okay. Depends what our data.
The tutorial starts right there. Of course, it's got a clue. You'll need 2 of those gears, 1 massive, well, not quite big, buttons, about 1.1 centimeters.
Okay, guys, just to show you, I finished the fidget spinner
and
the car spinner.
You'll need one of these barrels which have holes in. Stick it through there. Get the other gear. Stick it in there.
Now,
look at it. Sorry. Sorry. I'm probably overexcited now because I'm leaving the house next week to go to this place called Grandkids, and I'm very excited about that. Well, I really am. Oh, sorry. My brother's laughing his head off over there. Oh, sorry, I forgot to tell you the parts. Right, you'll need 2 of them, 2 of these, stick them on each side, and now just test it for a spin. And then you need 2 of these, 1 circular side, 1 X side. Stick them on each side. Then you'll need 2 of these. Stick them together. There you have it, your very own gear spinner. Okay, you can build. And look at that. They look nearly the same. Well, not the colour, but look.
How's some fidget spinner I made?
This has got an illusion to it.
Well, it did. Okay. I've just made my very own mini color spinner. I did it in the time that I was doing the tutorial. Done and dusted. So that's pretty much it. Now the tutorial. Just some funny thing. Well, you don't really need to do. We don't really need a tutorial because this one's pretty much a basic one. Have you heard of Hero Factory? I think you have. If you like Lego, you definitely have heard of Hero Factory. If you haven't, then yeah, tough luck. Well, we're gonna try and make a Captain America fidget spinner with a shield.
Well, if you haven't heard of it, just go online, just search Hero Factory, and it should come up.
Yeah. So
loads of
the bus. Okay, I'll show you all the fidget spinners we have. So we have the seesaw spinner. It's pretty. It does look like a seesaw. Doesn't spin that well. The gear spinner. Look at that. The PlayStation spinner, or the Xbox, the controller spinner. Oh, I forgot. This is the black and white spinner. Adjust it. I can adjust it so it goes like that or that. That's cool. We have the cinema spinner. projector spinner, whatever you want.
Did you break it up?
Yeah. This is the Supreme Fidget Spinner. The mini pocket watch spinner.
A really weird fidget spinner right now.
This
is
is
based on guess the theme. When get back on the screen, okay?
yeah, but this is the carousel fidget spinner. This is the mini color spinner. I just made that one under about 10 seconds. It's pretty cool though. Then the best and awesome one. Jesus, that's dangerous. Okay, this video might be a long one. It's up to now been 6 minutes exactly. Okay.
Wait, what's the approximate time?
Commenters, please tell us whatever fidget spinning you want us to make. But for now, my brother's trying to build a fidget spinner.
With a tortoise.
So am I. I'm going to try and build another fidget spinner. So I'm gonna get this piece.
We'll basically be
Wait, nothing.
Wait, is there a piece over there? Look over there. There should be a full thing with holes in it.
Four thing with holes in it.
Well, 2 of them with holes.
Thank you. They're not fours though. We do. It's like a car.
Wait,
Cool. Right, we're just going to add some adjustments to this one because it's pretty boring on its own. Okay, I'm gonna get one of these. I don't know which pieces I should use. It's pretty hard. It's pretty hard. Slime it. Well, I'm just adjusting this one to make it red and black because I need some other pieces. Okay. I've added some blue texture. Whoa, look at that. Now I'm going to add some more texture by adding a little bit of, what color should I use now? That's it, green. I should add a little bit of green texture to it. Oh, come on, you stupid Lego.
This one doesn't spin.
We're Lego collectors ourselves, so it's not hard to collect Lego. Just start it. There you are, the silly spinner. I don't know why I called it the silly spinner, but it's pretty silly. Oh, it's a weird one when it spins, isn't it? Well, if you'd like it, you'd get it. The next video will be coming up it will be today, but I'm gonna try and make this video 10 minutes.
Whoa.
It's 9:10 now. Come on, 50 seconds left. We gotta time him how long it takes to build a Lego Doctor Who spinner. Pretty much
Just
like
need to find another one of these.
Pretty much this. Oh, I forgot. We have like a fancy spinner. Well, it's pretty nice. Imagine trying to make a fidget spinner with that.
We got over the top with Lego.
Yeah, it is.
Seriously, we're just like.
Okay. It's just something that happened to my brother with a fidget spinner. Pretty funny. We should have caught it on video.
But sorry, we weren't allowed. Listen, you look good there on YouTube. I can make it laugh easily.
I'm just making some random thing.
I think we've been over 50 seconds.
Well, this video is long as enough. Don't know why I did that, but oh no, I got a good idea. Can I have a? Never mind. I got this. I don't need it. What's that piece I was looking for? I'm all over the place. I'm gonna try and turn that into a fidget spinner. Do you have any short pieces there that I could use? Thanks, I got a piece. I think that's okay. Ah, it's too long again. Why is everything so long in this house? Ah. I've done that up to now. I just need to get one more little thing. Okay.
Can you help me?
In a minute. Last one, and then we'll be finishing off. Last piece on. Next video, the Doctor Who TARDIS. Done. Another mini spinner. This one's called, it's like a hammer. Oh no. When you push in too hard, it becomes stiff. So there you have it. Fidget spinners galore. Next, the TARDIS spinner.
I'm working on it right now.
That one's gonna be hard, isn't it? Okay, hope you like watching Hills 46 Productions. Well, fidget spinners are the best thing. Well, they're a trend up to now, until they get off. Might get banned in school. Thank you for watching. Next video, Doctor Who. Fidget spinner. Fidget, spin it off.